Hello, beautiful people. Let's make this delicious okra soup. And in case my voice sounds a bit croaky, please just bear with me. I'm having sore throat, okay? So, guys, a friend of mine came to visit during the festive period and brought this bowl of okra soup for me, and it tasted so good. And I asked her, babe, what did you add in this thing? This thing slaps. And then she shared this recipe with me, and I felt my delicious family deserved this delicious okra soup recipe. And that's why I'm sharing it with you. Thank you so much, Abena, for allowing me to share your recipe. God bless you. The full list of all the ingredients and proteins used for this soup will be listed in the description box. Kindly check that out after watching the video. So here you can see I finally cut up my PONMO, otherwise known as KANDA. Here I'm just parboiling my proteins with just onions, pepper, and salt, and also some seasoning cubes, okay? And that pepper mix you saw earlier is a combination of Scotch bonnet peppers, bell peppers, and a little cayenne peppers, okay? I allow these proteins boil for 20 minutes until they release their own juices and moisture. And don't also forget I added my stockfish fillet to this mix. Yes, that's because I want my stockfish fillet to become soft while enjoying the soup. If you like this video, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section what swallow will you be pairing with this delicious pot of okra soup. Is it okra? Is also known as ladyfinger. Let me know how you pronounce them in the comment section. So here you can see I'm just using my grater to grate my okra into different shapes. I first of all make them smooth, then rough chop, and then I cut them into circles. I discovered later on in this video that I did not have enough okra. Okra was quite expensive in my area and it wasn't in season, so that might also be the reason why they might be looking small in your eye, but it's not really small though. Now let's make the main soup. Yes, in the pot I just added my bleached palm oil. This bleached palm oil adds a flavor that slaps so hard in your mouth. Before going in with my roughly chopped onions, I fry this till they are translucent. And then I added some crayfish powder before going in with my rough pepper mix. My beautiful people, the aroma and flavor you get from this combo here, don't let me overemphasize, but just try it and come back and tell me, delicious Abby, that okra recipe slaps hard. Yes, it slaps so hard. This smoked fish you're seeing here was grilled in my oven. If you want a full recipe on how I smoke my fish in the oven, kindly click on the link that appears at the right side of your screen to watch that. Point, I'm adding my locust bean. I don't like this thing. I don't like it. Normally when cooking okra soup I use ogiri, but because this recipe slaps hard, that's why I'm using locust bean. Then my smoked fish and my smoked mackerel goes in. I allow that fry for a while before going in with my proteins. And then I added my meat stock and allowed this boil before also going in with my sliced and grated okra. I lost some of this clip and I sincerely apologize, my beautiful people. Trust me, this recipe came out so good, so nice. You will definitely love it. Don't also forget to top up this with some crayfish powder. That crayfish powder you add at the end of the soup just makes a whole difference. Thank you so much for watching, my beautiful people. I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed.